Why don't we get drunk and screw? No, we're not. We got it going good. First time that I got it, I was just 10 years old. I got it from some kitty next door. And I went to see the doctor and he gave me a cure. I'm sure I'm doing it some more. They give it cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. Well, I make the kitty purr with the stroke of my hand. They gonna get it for free. And when they need a lemon, need a lemon. They gonna get it for me. They give it cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. It's nothing dangerous. You feel no pain. Got the judge on the string. You know you got it when you go insane. Don't let 'em when you bite my lip. Cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. Cat scratch fever. That was actually a good recovery. The music blew chunks, but the recovery at the end made up for a little bit of it. Sorry.